Hi guys! I'm very excited to vlog today because we are going to fill up our refrigerator. Sabi namin, lalagyan namin ng mga special na ilalagay kumpara naman doon sa wet kitchen. Kaya I'm very excited kung ano yung kukunin ni Asoka. So guys, let's go! But before buying the special stuffs, we are going to buy my lists first. Number 1 is kitchen cleaner. Yeah, this one is good one. Okay, then the Clorox. Oh, but we have this one, so get more discounts. Okay, this one also, but get the lights. Okay. All, yeah, take one first. So I wanna get the Tabasco, and also I don't know which one Asoka wants. We get this for Tyrese, and also we get the soy sauce.
I think this one for you, one for me. One is hair.
All right, get in, and there Tabasco lang. There. Which one? Yeah, mama na. Okay, I want this one for Tyrese. Tray. That cold. Tomato. We get this one na lang.
What right you need again?
Yes, Kimok, yes. This one.
So earlier, right?
And yeah. Ginger beer. You can go out and take.
Okay, now for.
Yeah, po. And also getting this. Look, so nice. Okay. Ayan po. Pinamili namin. We're about to pay cashier. And I'm excited to arrange all of these at home. Complete na yung mga listahan. Fridge.
Pen for him. Ginger beer.
This one okay.
Okay, but you must on here. The top
Alright.
one is the microwave. Bottom one is the oven.
Boxing our new rice cooker. Alright. So this is
Sama ro. Oh, eh.
Kailangan. Wow, it's so suja. Rose cooked British rice, Vietnamese rice, basmati rice, mixed rice. That means, a white rice, that means maluluto mo siya talaga kung paano lutuin ang brown rice, Japanese, glutinous, basmati, and mixed rice, and white rice. Wow, look! Look! 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6,
good job!
7.
8, 7 only. Abracadabra! Good job! Hi guys, we are here at the wine shop. dahil bibili si Asoka ng mga wines to fill our chiller kasi okay na ngayon, installed na. So Asoka is buying maybe around 90 bottles of wines, buying this.
You don't? Everything take too much. You can keep at least 6 bottles, 6 bottles, 6 bottles.
Guys, in this place they have everything. They have the best wines. You can buy the best wines here. Comes from France, Italy, Spain, USA, Australia. So, yun ang mga binibili ni Asoka now. And then, we'll see kung ilan talaga yung mabibili niya today. So, as you all can see, it's all wine, 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 wine. Wine, wine, wine. Wine. Meron na rin naman silang mga liquor, like whiskeys, vodka, gin. But we are here to buy wines to fill up our wine chiller.
So you know whether it's
Husband bought all these.
but sometimes they will improve on it.
She normally sends me this one. Anyway.
Yeah,
Okay, she sent me one.
yeah.
Okay. So ito yung mga binili na wines ni Asoka and he needs to put it all here. So here's our wine chiller. And we have all those wines. And. So basically, pinapuno na siya. So that's our wine chiller. Fridge is here. We have all the ice creams and the ice, and then more ice. Ubos na ito kagabi. Tapos it's more ice here too. And then we have all the steaks here. If you want to eat steaks, ito rin na siya. We've got a few. Yan. Then here is the salmon there. All the salmon. And so let's close. Then here is our fridge. So all the cheese, the cream cheese, yogurts are on top. The cold cuts there. So I have here all the Gatorades because I always play badminton or whatever sports I like to play. So this is ginger beer. This is not alcoholic beverage. And then we have a little bit of unhealthy. We have Coke Zeros over there, 100 plus. This is soju. Whenever I feel like drinking soju, but minsan lang. So we have the soda, soda water, and we have the water here. We have 100 plus, and we have the biscuits, chocolate from Taiwan. So wala pa dito, and then we have all the even water here, the milk, almond milk. We have the coconut juice, water. We have the Perrier here. So, yan muna. Let's close. And so, can play the YouTube here. So, basically, we can play everything you want to play there. So, let's try King Har. And voila, that's me. There. Right, see you guys. Maraming salamat po. Sana po ay okay ang lahat at laging mag-ingat. Bye. So guys, ito ang nilagay sa bar ni Asoka. So nagpagawa siya nito. It's Maya Soka. There. Place. Good job. Good job, son. Go, pull. Look.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Nah, dari sini. Nah, pull. Okay.
Wow. Tingnan natin siya ipi, oh.
Okay. Nah.
Ayan, so we are installing a soap test na yung side nage. Yeah, inside this bar. Look at that. So nice.
커피는 자주 주가라고.
Good. Oh, look at that. Guys, good evening. So, hindi na ako nakaluto ng dinner. Si Asoka ay nag-order na lang ng makakain namin for dinner kasi sobrang busy namin today. Ayan, katatapos ko lang maligo. Nakakain na kami ng dinner. And ito yung dinner namin. Let's open. Let's see what is this. Oh, it's chicken. This is one sketty one. Okay, is looking for wine to drink now. Alright.
Molly juga.
Catfish. Ah. Wow. Hi, good night na sa inyong lahat. Tapos na kaming kumain and then now Asok and I, we are sitting outside and having a glass of wine or two. And then ito din si Butchapay sa amin habang naliligo pa si Kathy. So maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa akin. Huwag ninyong kalimutan na kumain, maging masaya. At yun lang naman ang pinaka-importante. At maging healthy pala. Kasi pag healthy ka, ayun, automatic masaya ka na. So dapat ganun ang mindset natin. Bye guys. Good night to all the ladies. Aguroy. Bye.